Hi, first graders. Welcome back. It's Thursday, almost to the end of the week. You guys are doing a great job. Today, we are going to continue to talk about our parts of the plants, but we're going to do something a little different. We are going to talk about what a fact is and what opinion is. Okay, and we are going to come up with some ideas on our own after we read our book of some facts about roots and some opinions about roots. But first, we need to know what a fact and opinion are. So we are going to go ahead and watch this video, okay? And then when we're done, we will be able to know the difference between a fact and opinion.
An opinion. What is a fact? A fact is something that is always true. Facts can be proven. We can find facts by doing research in books, on the internet, or we could even do research of our own. Here's an example of a fact. Dogs need food and water to survive. This is always true. You could find this information in a book or on the internet. What is an opinion? An opinion is what you think or feel. It cannot be proven. Here's an example of an opinion. Dogs are the best pets. That's what I think. I love dogs. That's how I feel. But these are just my opinions because someone could say, no way, cats are the best pets. Let's see what you learned. Fact or opinion? The sun is hot. You're right, it's a fact. This can be proven. We can prove it by doing research in a book or on the internet. Fact or opinion? Coffee is delicious. You're right, that's an opinion because someone could say, ew, coffee isn't delicious. Fact or opinion? An apple is a fruit. You're right, it's a fact. An apple is a fruit. That is always true. So remember, if you're trying to figure out whether something is a fact or not, you can ask yourself, is it always true? Can it be proven? And if the answer is yes, then you found a fact.
All right, first graders, great job. So remind me what a fact is. Can you guys remind me what a fact is? Yell it nice and loud so I can hear you. Good. A fact is something that is always true. Okay, so give me an example. Yell it out nice and loud at the top of your lungs. What's a fact? Good. So I heard some really different ideas of what facts are. Okay, so different examples. So keeping it towards our plants, what I'm going to say is a fact is that roots are used to keep the plant or tree stable. Did we learn that already this week? Is that true? You're right. Okay, and now what's an opinion? Yell what an opinion. What did you learn? What is an opinion? Yell it nice and loud. You're right. So an opinion is something the way that you think or feel. Okay, so somebody next to you might not have the same opinion as you. Okay, so my opinion is that it's really cold outside. Okay, it might be cold to me, but it might not be cold to you, right? Can you guys give me an example of an opinion? Good. The pizza is the best food. That's my opinion, but maybe it's not yours. Maybe you don't like pizza. So what we're going to do today is you guys are going to listen to this read aloud about roots. And while we're reading, you guys are going to think about some facts that you've learned about roots, okay? And then we're going to come up with some opinions about plants and flowers, and so we can see the difference. Okay, so we are going to read this book called Roots.
By Kathleen V. Kudlinski, illustrated by David Schubert. What do roots do for their plants up above? They hold them up straight when the wind gives a shove. They hold them upright when the ground's on a slant. They hold them in place if you play on the plant. How else do they use this underground link? Plants are all thirsty. They use roots to drink. The roots branch out small, then tinier still. Then teeny root hairs drink the thirsty plant's fill. Roots suck water in, then they send it up high, through tubes far too tiny to see with your eye. Water flows up through rootlets, then taproots, and trunk, then branches, and twigs, until each leaf's drunk all the water it needs. And then way up there, the rest blows away on a breeze in the air. Palm, pine, or maple, it always is true. Half of the tree will be hidden from you. Shadowed by treetops, green ferns and moss grow. So do their roots in the darkness below. In sunny yards full of grass, weeds, and clover, you could see all the roots if you turned the dirt over. But you wouldn't do that. It wouldn't be wise. When you break off its roots, a plant often dies. Your garden is brightest and makes the most flowers when the roots have been watered by hose or by showers. Food grows in the garden in vegetable row. Some ripens in sunshine, but some hides below. Carrot and radish, potato and beet. The underground root is the part that we eat. The roots of a cactus spread far to the sides or deep in the soil for water that hides. And even in ponds, water lilies have found the best way to grow is with roots in the ground. So under each tree is a tree made of roots, and under each rose and beneath bamboo shoots. Whenever you look at a plant short or tall, remember you don't see the whole thing at all. The end.
All right, friends. So you guys listen to the story about roots. So what you're going to do now is I need you to grab your notebook so that we can go ahead and we are going to create a chart that looks like this. Okay, I want you to pause the screen. Do it now. Okay, and you're going to copy this. Okay, so pause the screen now, copy this. You can restart it when you're done. Okay, so you should all have this drawn out. Okay, so what you're going to do is you are going to write some facts on this side and your opinions on this side. So a fact about roots. What's a fact that we learned about roots? Good, so they are in the ground. Okay. What else did you learn about roots? Roots hold plants in place. What else? I'm hearing a lot of great ideas. Roots get nutrients for the plant. Awesome. So I want you to keep going, okay? You should have at least 5 different things about roots, okay? Think about the taproot and what is a taproot, okay? Think about the sizes of roots, okay? Now over here is your opinion side. So what is an opinion you can have about roots or plants in general? Okay, so I might say, I heard some good ones. So flowers are pretty. Is that a fact or opinion? Good, it is an opinion because you may not think flowers are pretty. Okay, so I might say trees are always big. Are trees always big? No. Okay, some trees can be small trees, some trees are big trees. Okay, so you're gonna continue to create some opinions about plants and trees. Okay, and then you're going to keep this in your notebook for your teacher to see until we go back to school. Okay, you guys are doing a great job. Keep up that hard work.